Do you have a bottle of orange oil sitting on your shelf and have no idea how to use it? Or are you just looking for more uses for this powerful oil? Then you're in the right place. Stay tuned. I'm going to give you some of my favorite ways of how I use this powerful oil. If you're new here, I'm Jen. I'm the creator of Jenalistic, and I publish content weekly to help you ditch the toxins out of your lifestyle and to increase your health. So, orange oil, this nice little wonderful smelling oil. It is loved for its bright, clean scent. It's also packed with D-limonene, and which has so many great health benefits. The oil actually comes from the peel of the orange, and it's great for your skin, supporting your liver, great for your mood, and one of the best things is it's such an economical oil. It is not expensive at all. So, way number one that I like to use this, it's very simple. Diffuse it. Yep, I just stick it right in the diffuser, sometimes on its own, sometimes blended. On its own, it is thought to increase creativity. It also has an uplifting scent, so it kind of uplifts your mood. It can actually sometimes help with anxiety also in some people. So like I said, you could diffuse it right on its own or blend it. My favorite blend is to do orange and rosemary. So I love this combination when I'm working. Rosemary is really great for your brain. And then obviously I do web design. So orange is great for the creativity. And I love the extra boost of the rosemary to help the brain function. It's also great during the holidays. You can diffuse it with a clove or a cinnamon. Or my other favorite combo in the wintertime is Christmas spirit and orange. These two together, amazing. So next time you have some of these both, give it a try in the diffuser. Orange is also great to help purify the air. So when you diffuse it, it helps purify the air. So if you haven't tried it before, go ahead and give it a try. And way number two. So this time I will take it internally. So you can take it internally. Really quick disclaimer here. Young Living has a internal use label, so you know that this is safe for internal use. Please don't take an oil that is not labeled for internal use because it might have other things in it and it could cause more harm than good. So make sure you take one that has an internal use label on it, and then it should be safe. So this I add right to some water. I love, I've got one of those soda streams, so I just do the carbonated water, stick a couple drops of orange oil. Sometimes I add a little bit of lemon to it also. Really delicious. It's great for detoxifying. It's great for boosting your immune system, and it's also great for digestion. So it's great for a lot of things. You can also add it to your smoothies. That's another way you can do it internally. It's really, really good in chocolate smoothies. So give that one a try. Remember though, oil is very, very concentrated, so it has a very strong taste. I would start with just 1 or 2 drops, and then, as your taste evolves, you can add more to it. But don't dump in like 10 or 12 drops at first. It will be very overpowering, and you won't like it. Number 3 will be Topically, which basically you can just put it right on your wrist. Just add, a couple drops right on your wrist, and rub them together. That's also great. Oh, I love the smell of it. So one of the things you do have to be very careful when you're doing it topically is that it is a sun sensitive oil, which means you don't want to put it on and go out in the sun for like hours and be exposed. It basically will give you almost like a sunburn, like a really bad sunburn. I have done it on accident before, so just make sure you don't do that. I'm pretty safe today. We're in the middle of winter, and we have a great big snowstorm coming, so I'm not going outside anytime soon. So definitely one thing to keep in mind when you do it. When, again, just, if you're going to be outside, make sure you have long sleeves. You can just cover it up or put it on at night before you go to bed if you want to put it on. Just be very, very careful of that. So this is, like I said, you can put it right on you. You can put it, a couple drops in your hand and smell it. You can also rub it on your neck. It's really good for your lymph nodes, and it can help improve immunity. It's also great when you take your favorite facial cream and just add 1 or 2 drops to the cream and just mix it together and put it on your face. It is amazing for your skin. So lots of great ways to use it topically. All right, way number 4. You can use it to do DIY cleaners. So lots of different ways you can add this to different items. I use a lot that Thieves cleaner, the Thieves household cleaner. So sometimes I'll add a little bit of orange to it. It's great, a little bit extra cleaning power. It also gives it a really nice scent. During the holidays, again, I'll do the orange with the Christmas spirit, just a couple drops of each in the cleaner, and it just smells wonderful. So it's a great way to give a little bit extra scent to some of the cleaners, especially if you use Thieves. You may not want the Thieves scent all the time, a little bit different, especially in the summer. Summer is really good with orange too. Orange is just like an all seasons great scent for me, I think. Anyways, the other thing you can do is mix it with a little baking soda. So you just grab some baking soda, put a couple drops in here, mix it up. You can stick it on your carpet and then just vacuum it up, like, let carpet fresh, but without the toxic chemicals, and cheaper too. So you could use it that way. You can also use it as a scrub, like a kitchen sink scrub too. A little bit of baking soda, a little bit of this, and it becomes a scrub. Super cheap, super powerful, and really easy to do. So if you guys are looking for more ideas on how to use your oils, check below. I've got 2 books, ebooks, totally free. Look them up. And also check out these videos over here for more information on how to use oils. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.